Hi there, I'm Mrs. Sabrin, your phonics coach. Welcome to my channel Funics Reader. In the last video, you learned that yes makes the sound S and A makes the sound A. In this video, you will learn two more sounds. Are you ready? Let's get started. Look at the picture. What are the kids playing? They are playing tennis. T, t, tennis. What is the beginning sound of tennis? T, t, tennis. Do you know which letter makes the sound T? Yes. T makes the sound T. Repeat after me. T makes the sound T, T. Great job. Look at this picture. What do you see? A mouse. Do you know the name of this mouse? Her name is Inky. I, I, Inky. What's the beginning sound of Inky? I. It's I. Inky makes the sound I, I, I. There's a letter that makes the sound I. Do you know which letter it is? It is the letter I. I makes the sound I. It's not E, the long sound. It's just E, the short sound. Let's say it again. I makes the sound I. I makes the sound I. Great job. Now it's blending time. What is blending? Blending means joining sounds together to read a word. Let's try it. You have learned the sounds is, a, t, I. Now let's blend them. What is this sound? A. And what is this sound? T. Shall we blend them? A, t. At, a, t. At, a, t. At. Well done. What is this sound? I. And what is this sound? S. Shall we blend them? I is is. Again. I is is. I is. Well done. What is this sound? I. And what is this sound? T. Shall we blend them? I, t. It. I, t. It. Again. I, t. It. Well done. Now we are going to read a three-letter word. So let's blend three sounds. What is this sound? Is. And what is this sound? Ah. Let's blend. Is. Ah. Sa. Is. Ah. Sa. And what is this sound? T. Shall we blend them? Is, a, sa, t. Sad. Is a sa t. Sat. Again. Is a sa t. Sat. Great job. You just read a three-letter word. Now let's blend and read another three-letter word. What is this sound? S. And what is this sound? E. Let's blend. Is, E, C. Is, E, C. And what is this sound? T. Is, E, C, T. What does it make? Sit. Is, E, C, T. Sit. Again. Is, E, C, T. Sit. Great job. You just read another three-letter word. Keep practicing the sounds every day and try to blend and read the words. You're doing a great job. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.